Welcome back. In this short video tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a list with Aweber. So the first thing you want to do is go to aweber.com and then enter your username and password and simply click the login button. Once you're logged in, click on the link in the top left corner that says Create and Manage Lists. This page is going to appear, and then click the green button that says Create a New List. On this page, you're going to create your list name, you're going to give it a description, and you're going to give your emails a from name and a from email address. So simply fill in the boxes up here. You can name the list anything you want. Keep it short and kind of relevant, no spaces and no special characters. Then just give it a description, then type in a name. Generally, you'll either want to put your real name or support or customer service. Those are a couple different examples. And then your email address. In the notifications section, if you want to be notified every time somebody opts into your list, simply put your name and your real primary email address here. Nobody will ever see this email that's in the notifications. It's simply so Aweber can send you a message every time you've got a new opt-in. When you're finished this page, just scroll down and click the Save button. After your settings have been successfully saved, scroll up and click on the Personalize Your List button. On this page, type in a company name and put in your real website URL. Then scroll down and we'll fill out the snippets form. In the first snippet, just paste in the very first one, IMSS underscore full name. And then for the text snippet part, you'll simply type in your full name. And once you're done that, just click the Add button. You'll see a new field will appear, so go on to the next snippet, and we'll do the same for all 4 of these snippets. Be sure to click the Add button after filling in each of them. As you can see, it's pretty quick and easy once you've got your text file pre-filled out. You just have to basically copy and paste. So we'll do the domain one right now, and then that'll be it for this page. Once you finish that page, Aweber will take you over to the confirmation message screen. Now it's necessary that you just make very slight changes on this page. I usually just click the drop down, choose one of their pre-approved subject lines, and then in the edit intro section, you just really have to change one of the words in there just so Aweber knows that you've edited this. Otherwise you won't be able to save the page. And then same goes for the signature. Just type a signature line in there. So I usually just type best regards, customer support. And then scroll down a little bit, and in the require opt-in on web forms section, click the off button and then just confirm it. And that's all there is to it. Scroll down and click the save button. Once you're on the follow-ups page, you'll see a big green button here. Make sure it says new plain text message. If it doesn't, just click the drop down arrow and select new plain text message. The message editor is going to load up, and then all you have to do right now is just simply copy and paste the emails that we've provided for you in the notepad files. Copy the subject line, paste it in where the subject goes. Then copy the body of the email and paste it into the body section. Now what's unique about this, you're going to see the snippets pre-filled with blue here, and the placeholders for name and emails and everything all pre-filled in the messages, so it's pretty cool. Feel free to edit the message if you want, but for right now let's just paste them in, scroll down and save the message. After you've clicked save, then click the green next button. And because this is your very first message, you just have to click save and exit. And there you have it, your first message is in. So now let's paste in the rest of them. Click the green button, then open up your text pad and open up message number 2. Highlight and copy the subject line. Paste the subject line into the Aweber text editor. Then copy the body of the email and paste it into the text editor. Then scroll down and click the save button. Once it's been saved, scroll down a little bit more and click on the next button. Now on this page you're going to see a spot that you can set the interval for the message. Now this is how many days delay in between the last message you just pasted and this one. So just set it to 1 day. And then scroll down and click the save and exit button. So let's just do one more together here, and then I'll pause the video and I'll finish them up. Click the green button, then open up your text file, open message number 3, highlight the subject line, and paste the subject line into Aweber. Then go back to the text file, highlight and copy the body of the message, and then paste the body into the Aweber text editor. Click the save button, then click the next button. Now set the interval to 1 day, and then click the save and exit button. And it's just that simple. I'm going to pause the video right now. I'm going to finish the other 4 messages. Okay, we're back here now, and I've got all 7 messages pasted in, and you should too. What you're going to want to do is scroll to the top of the screen and click on the tab that says Web Forms. Click on the green Create a New Web Form button. Basically, you're just going to use the default settings that Aweber has. So when the editor opens up, just scroll down and click on the button Save Web Form. And then scroll down again and click on the blue Go to Step 2. Now on the next page, you can name it, you can just leave it default, or you can just give it a unique name. So I'm just going to change it to IMSS Opt-in. And you don't have to change anything else on this page. Click on the Save Web Form, and then after it's saved, click on the blue Go to Step 3 button. Now you're going to see 3 options. Choose the top option, which is I will install my own form. It's going to open up 2 more options. One's going to be a JavaScript snippet, and the other is going to be the raw HTML version. Now we're going to choose the raw HTML version, and you want to click inside of there, highlight it, and copy it. And then we're going to go to a notepad file And we're going to open up a brand new notepad file and we're going to paste that code in. Then scroll up in the code and look for this little bit of coding where you see the aweber.com URL, and directly below that you're going to see a tag that says name equals meta web form ID. When you've found that, you've located the correct spot. We're going to highlight a little group of this coding, so watch closely here. And then come back over to your notepad file and paste it in underneath where it says Aweber list items. I'm going to grab the meta web form ID, the value equals number. So grab your number and just move it up beside the proper tag. And the next one's list name. So this is the list name that you gave it. So grab the value equals and paste it. Meta message is generally going to be number 1, so just verify that it's a 1 in your code and put that up there. And that's it. Once you've got those 3 items, you can get rid of the rest of the code. And then save your text file so you save that data, because we're going to use these 3 items in the next step when we tie it all together with your system. So that's all you need to do in Aweber. You can now log out.